Hello everyone, my name is Michaela Woods and I'm a junior at the University of Memphis with the concentration in youth services, and I'm the founder of the Williams Youth Program. The purpose and description of this program. The purpose of this after-school program would be for children to be able to learn anything that they did not understand during class and to receive help on homework and many other activities. This organization will aid in cognitive and social emotional development in many ways. Some ways that it will deal with their cognitive development is that these students will be able to use their thinking skills to learn new things and things that we previously went over. They will do this by doing different group work with some of my mentees and different fun but helpful learning activities. Also, this will help with their social emotional development because inside the classroom, they probably feel that they cannot express themselves fully, meaning that other children try to make fun of them or call them names. Also, it helps their social emotional development because now they'll be able to learn to interact with students to deal with new things that might go on in their everyday lives without being judged. Last but not least, this will help with the social emotional development of a child because the abandonment that they feel like they are getting from home, they will know for sure that me and my mentees are here for them if they need it, and they can come talk about interpersonal issues that they may have. Our vision will be able to let students feel comfortable with letting them know that the school does offer help if they need it, and to also let them know that the faculty cares about them when it comes to schoolwork and other personal things. The age group that I will be focusing on is children from the age of 12 to 15, which is middle childhood to adolescence. My rationale for selecting this particular age group is because as students get older, they tend to shut people out and get into things that they should not be involved with, and that messes with their cognitive development. And not talk to anyone about your problems or feel like you have no one to turn to, but you just need someone to listen, mess with your social emotional development. Cognitive development is the ability to think, and social emotional development is the way a person deals with their emotions and how to establish great relationship with others. The way this is going to relate to my organization is that students are going to be broken into small groups, which will help them with assignments that they really do not understand. And then after that, we will talk about things that is going on in their everyday lives to get them to open up and receive the proper help that they need. The three cognitive development concepts I'm going to be using is formal operations, executive function, and creativity. The three social emotional developments I will be using will be depression and suicide, future self, possible self, and final, peer pressure. Activities. One activity that will deal with this cognitive development would be different worksheets with different varieties on it, and each student will be able to think outside of the box to decode the message. An example, mind over matter, which will mean mind over matter. Another activity which deals with cognitive development is a creativity test, in which they will have to draw as many objects as they can, but only use certain shapes. If you are interested in joining my after-school program, my email is mwllms66@memphis.edu. Thank you.